Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 9th Standard Subject English.
Dear students, hope you fine. Today we are going to learn past tense and future tense charts and keywords for all tenses. I believe that you have learned present tense chart thoroughly. Now we will learn the four tenses in past tense: simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. First one, simple past. The format is V2. I ate, we ate, you ate, you ate, he ate, she ate, it ate, they ate. Past continuous. The format is was or were V1 ing. Was V1 ing is used for singular and were V1 ing is used for plural. For singular you, we had to use were V1 ing. This is the exceptional case. I was eating, we were eating, you were eating, he was eating, she was eating, it was eating, they were eating. Next one, past perfect. The format is had B3 form. Had past participle. B3 form for eat is eaten. I had eaten, we had eaten, you had eaten, he had eaten, she had eaten, it had eaten, they had eaten. Next one, past perfect continuous. Format is had been V1 ing. I had been eating, we had been eating, you had been eating, he had been eating, she had been eating, it had been eating, they had been eating. Now we are going to learn four tenses in future: simple future, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. First one, simple future. The format is will or shall be one. For I and we have to use shall be one. For other persons, we have to use will be one. I shall eat, we shall eat, you will eat, he will eat, she will eat, it will eat, they will eat. Next one, future continuous. The format is will or shall be V1 ing. For I and we have to use shall be V1 ing. For other persons, we have to use will be V1 ing. I shall be eating, we shall be eating, you will be eating, he will be eating, she will be eating, it will be eating, they will be eating. Next one, future perfect. Will or shall have B3. This is the format. For I and we have to use shall have B3 form. For other persons, we have to use will have B3 form. I shall have eaten, we shall have eaten, you will have eaten, he will have eaten, she will have eaten, it will have eaten, they will have eaten. Next one, future perfect continuous. The format is will or shall have been V1 ing. For I and we have to use shall have been V1 ing. For other persons, we have to use will have been V1 ing. I shall have been eating, we shall have been eating, you will have been eating, he will have been eating, she will have been eating, it will have been eating, they will have been eating. Keywords will help you identify the tense easily. Now I'll give you some keywords for all tenses. Simple present, every day, always, often, never, normally, seldom, and frequently. Present continuous, now, at this moment, right now. Present perfect, just, already, since, for, never, ever, so far, up to now, not yet. Present perfect continuous, for a long time, all day, up to now. Simple past, yesterday, ago, when, in 2015, that is year. In any year, last month, last year, like that, last week. Past continuous, while, when. Past perfect, before, simple past action, after, simple past action. Past perfect continuous, before, simple past action, after, simple past action. Simple future, tomorrow, next. Future continuous, at this time, tomorrow. Future perfect, by this time, by the end of. Future perfect continuous, for, before. That's all for today, students. Learn tense chart and keywords thoroughly. This is the homework for you. Thank you very much.